Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to use Google Meet to schedule a meeting and to invite the participant to your meeting and to join the meeting. Google Meet used to be available only for the subscribers, but now Google have made it available for free for anybody who wants to have a virtual conference. If you run a business, this app will help you to schedule a business conference. If you are a teacher, this app will help you to meet a student virtually. Here how you start with Google Meet. In Google search, you will search meet.google.com. Click on Google Meet. Press the button that says New Meeting. This gives me three options. First is get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. So you can start the meeting right away, but if I want to schedule the meeting for the later time, I will click on get to meeting later, which means get a meeting link to share. Here you see the meeting URL. By clicking on this icon, you will copy the URL. The URL is copied and now I can send it in people's email. I can send it to their text messages or in WhatsApp messages. However you want to do it, you can send the link so people can join the meeting. Now camera is ready. You can see all the participants and the participants can see you. Here is the turn on caption button. When you turn on closed captioning button, then it will write whatever you are saying. As you can see, it is writing whatever I'm saying. By clicking on the people icon, you can see who is in your meeting. This will give you a list of your participants. You can also record the meeting using a Screencast-O-Matic software and send the link to the people who could not attend the meeting at that time, and like that they can watch the meeting. You can also browse different websites. As you can see, it gives you the option your entire screen, a window or a Chrome tab. So if you press your entire screen, your presentation or the website will go on the whole screen, or if you press a window, it will just show a window to your participants. More options. This is a more option tab. You can click on this tab and see change layout, full screen, turn on caption, settings, and other options. When you want to end the call, you can just press this button which says leave call, and you will be able to end the conference. See, it says you left the meeting. I can rejoin it or I can return to home screen. But before I do that, I want to show you how I send my link for the meeting to the participant I want to invite. This is the example for an email that people can send. They can say something like, thank you for your interest. To serve as a math teacher in our school. We would like to schedule a meeting. Here is the URL, and then you can paste the URL right here, and when they will click the URL, they will join the meeting. And by clicking on the URL, they can join the meeting. Hit send, and here you go. So I hope you found the video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe so you can get to see my other videos. Also press the like button if you liked it, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.